Hello.
Hello, Megha. Good evening.
Good evening, Subhash. So good to see you. How are you doing today?
I am doing very great. What about you?
Same here. I'm doing well. I was not very active from the last 2 days here, and I'm so glad that I'm back to my regular sessions from today. So, yes, I'm pretty excited.
Okay, what happened to the last 2 days? Why you
I
were
was
not active?
I was at my friend's place, okay? So I was meeting her after a very long time, after almost 6 months or 7 months. So we just decided to, spend some quality time with each other. I had been to her place, I met her parents and all that. So it was quite productive in that sense.
Yes, yes. You had a very nice time with your
Yes,
friends.
absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah.
So true. And she's my college friend. She's my friend from the last like 8 years or so. And these last couple of months, we've been traveling to and fro. She was in a different city, I was in a different city. And now that she's back, we thought, let's just catch up. Let's not delay this any further.
Okay, okay. So
Yeah.
you told me about one of your colleagues from
Mhm.
his city, Guwahati.
Yeah.
Has he
Yes.
got back to your place? I mean, in Bangalore, or still she is in Guwahati?
No, no. We are actually, he was an ex-colleague of mine. Now that I've left the company, we're not that much in touch, okay? So I'm not sure, like, if they are there in Guwahati or if they've come back to Bangalore. I'm not really sure on that.
Okay, okay. He is not in that
Yeah.
company. That okay,
Yes, yes. We are not working in the same place anymore. That was previously.
okay, okay.
Yeah. Okay. So do you have many friends or family members living in the same city, or do you have to travel quite a bit to, catch up with them or meet them?
Yeah, yeah. My relatives are living
Mhm.
far away from my place.
Okay. Okay.
If you known persons or
Mhm.
the distant relatives are there in
Yeah.
this, but those who are close
Mhm.
to our family, they are living
Mhm.
far away from here.
Okay. Okay. Pretty far. And before this pandemic situation hit us, right? How often would you guys meet? Was it rarely, or you used to meet pretty often?
Rarely, not pretty often.
Rarely.
Yes, yes.
Yes. That's very common, okay? That's very common. Like meeting relatives who are living in a different city or a different state, that becomes quite a task. We have to plan so much before going. So, yeah, that
Yeah, yeah.
happens.
Now, see, in your case, you can take 2, 3 days off and you can go wherever you feel like now. But in
Yeah.
my case, there are some
Mhm.
difficulties because
Mhm.
now
Mhm.
I have to see all other things. I have a
Yeah.
family, so
Yes.
even if I wish to go somewhere, it
Uh-huh.
may be that your son or your
Mhm.
daughter have some
Yeah.
school, college, or some private tuitions also. So there are
Okay.
so many things that comes up. I
Oh,
mean,
yes.
even we wish to, we
Mm.
cannot go.
Yes. So many obligations and responsibilities, right?
Yes, yes, that's
Very well. That's true. That's so true. Like sometimes we undermine what parents do for us, but it's always important to be grateful. Like they give up so much just to fulfill our, dreams and wishes and all that. Yeah. Yeah.
yeah,
That's
yes.
that's there. Okay. And Subhash, tell me, when I say the word to think on one's feet, okay, what does it mean? What does it mean to you to think on one's feet?
Oh my God, I have forgotten the. I just saw 2 days
Hmm?
back from content, but
Okay.
really I forgot it.
Okay, think on one's feet. Okay. She was in a legal trouble, but she was quick to think on her feet and she got out of that situation. So, if I say this sentence, what idea do you get from that expression?
Mm, she think on her feet.
Yeah,
Okay.
think on one's feet.
No, nothing comes.
Okay, it just basically means that you're a very quick thinker, okay, and you're able to make quick decisions. Okay, if you're put in
Okay,
any situation, right, in that situation, you're able to think really fast and make a decision and get out of that situation. Okay,
okay,
or
okay.
come up with a solution for that situation to put it in a better manner. So that is what it means. Okay,
Okay.
okay, amazing. And do you have any? create any hobbies that bring out the creativity in you?
No, I don't think so because I am a
Mhm.
very kind of lazy kind of person, and
Okay.
I always feel like that whatever I have, okay, I am
Mm-hmm.
very happy. I don't
Mm-hmm.
need much like that.
Mm-hmm.
And for this,
Okay.
I always get scolding from my wife. You always, you always be like this.
Mm-hmm.
They are nothing going to improve in your life, yeah, because of your
Mm-hmm.
thinking. You always think, don't
Okay.
think the higher side.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're pretty comfortable, is it? Quite laid back and chill.
Yeah, yeah, that's what. Yeah, I'm
Mhm.
a little lazy kind of person. Yeah, that would be the proper
Mhm.
thing to say.
Okay, I really appreciate the honesty, Subhash. I won't comment further. Okay. And what, according to you, is creativity? This word gets thrown around everywhere, right? Okay, he's a creative person, she's a creative
Yeah,
person. That's such a creative article. So, what is your definition of creativity?
yeah. One who is very creative, something he has got some talent and
Mm-hmm.
something,
Mm-hmm.
a kind of different person
Mm-hmm.
from the common person. He
Mm-hmm.
has got
Okay.
some ideas, or he
Mm-hmm.
thinks
Mm-hmm.
his thinking is out of the box thinking.
Very
So
good.
normally what we think is just
Mm-hmm.
normal day-to-day life, but
Yeah.
they think something that new
Mm-hmm.
ideas, what to do,
Yeah.
how can we make it better,
Mm-hmm.
and they end up doing something,
Mm-hmm.
uh, say some products or some new things, which
Mm-hmm.
is valuable and
Mm-hmm.
beneficial to the humankind all over, not
Mm.
only for himself, all over.
Okay. Okay. Wow. So someone who has that kind of a vision or that kind of a thinking, right? So
Yeah.
yes, so that according to is creativity. Okay, fine. So there is one very popular notion, okay? So people who are very creative, they are very messy. Like if you see their desk, it is always messy. And they say that people who are not very creative but very logical in their thinking, okay, not creative but little more technical. Okay, they keep everything tidy. So do you think these notions are true, or it's just a fake thing? What do you feel?
Maybe I think it is true because they
Hmm.
are always thinking, they are not going in a particular way that
Yeah.
on a regular basis. Always they are
Hmm.
thinking something new, how to
Hmm.
do it. So maybe
Yeah.
they are messy. Yeah.
Hmm. Okay, fine. And do you think a person who is not very creative at all, okay, do you think they can learn creativity? Is it possible to learn it?
Say reading or
Hmm.
watching or get to know from others that
Hmm.
how the people are creative,
Hmm.
and they can know about this, but we
Yeah,
cannot imitate. It is not a skill that we can imitate. There, I think that
absolutely.
there should be something inside
Hmm.
a person.
Hmm.
It must be an original thing that you have in your. I mean,
Hmm.
it is not a thing that you can learn.
Yeah, okay. It's something very innate ability. It's called as an innate ability within you that comes naturally to you, like that, huh?
Yes, yes.
Okay. And you mentioned that it should be original, not a copy. When you said that, one thing came to my mind, okay. These days there are so many songs, okay. They're just a remake of old songs. It's not original at all. They just add a little bit of a disco theme to it. They add more beats and they, produce the song and they release it. So what is your opinion of it? Do you like these remakes?
If I say I don't like, I would be lying to you. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Uh, recently means maybe 2 years back.
Yeah.
One song that was a
Mm-hmm.
remix, and it was sung by
Mm-hmm.
Neha Kakkar, I think.
Neha
I
Kakkar.
forgot.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. It. I like the song very much.
Okay.
Mm, it was the line. It was a Hindi song. I just
Neha
now
Kakkar
forgot.
song. No problem. That's okay.
If I remember, I'll tell you on
Sure, sure.
during
Yes.
the session.
Mhm.
But it was very popular, and
Mhm.
wherever I went, I just
Mhm.
heard the song and also liked also.
Okay. Okay. Fine. That's so good. There is one band, okay, on YouTube. The name of the band is Sanam. Okay. And
Yes,
what
yes, no, yeah.
Sanam? Yeah. Have you heard their
Yes,
song?
yes, yes, I have heard.
Yeah.
There's
They're
so
so
many
brilliant.
old Hindi songs they have
Hmm.
uh, sung in a new creative
Hmm.
way. Yeah, I have
Yeah.
heard. Mm.
So true. I never get tired of listening to their songs. They keep that old world charm to the songs. They don't change it drastically, but they tweak it in a way that it's modern also, and it's retains the originality of the old songs too. So I really like that.
Okay, I just remember that one.
Mhm.
Sung by Neha Kakkar. There was a song. It starts like Dilbar, Dilbar, like
Yes, yes. Sneha Kakkar. I didn't. Okay. Nora Fateh is in that song,
yes,
right?
yes, yeah, 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 yeah. That
Okay.
one.
That's such a remarkable video. Oh my God. The song, the music, the artists in that song, no words. Great choice you have in music.
It was
Okay.
earlier
Hmm.
portrayed by this
Hmm.
our Susmita Sen in one of the movie. Mm,
Hmm. Okay. The
very
original one.
yeah.
Okay. Fine. Yeah. So you, according to you, they made it even better. Like it's better than the old version.
I would not say that better, but there is
Hmm.
two different taste, you can say.
Hmm.
The earlier
Hmm.
one and the second one was a different one, and like
Hmm. Okay. Fine. So you have a place in your mind for both.
yes, yes, both, both.
Okay, very well. That's great. And in your friend circle or in your family or any person that you know, okay, who is the most creative?
No, no, no. I have not found anyone who are near
Mhm.
to me. All of them maybe like me only.
Okay, no creative souls around you.
There is one phrase or proverb, na?
Mhm.
Proverb, I think I forgot. It ends like flock together to
Mhm. Birds of a feather flock together.
uh, maybe like that. All of my
Yes, yes,
friends and
yeah. You are all birds of this of a feather, is it? Same feather. Okay, okay, that's nice. That's good to know. Okay. And according to you, which profession requires the most creativity? Like all your creative energy needs to be put into it. What job?
uh, right now it comes to my mind like architecture
Oh wow, great example. Okay.
and
Mm-hmm.
even in music industry also
Mm-hmm.
those who are composing they have to be
Mm-hmm.
very creative because they have to also think about the present the taste of the people
Yeah.
because our taste um, go changes
Yes.
uh, year by year or day
Mm-hmm.
by day
Mm-hmm.
so they have to think about this and
Mm-hmm.
that before composing
Mm-hmm.
these their songs or lyrics
Mm-hmm.
they
Yeah.
always think they have to be creative otherwise it is very difficult for them to live
Mm-hmm.
in this industry
Yeah. To survive here, right? So
to
they have to
survive.
constantly innovate.
Yes.
Hmm. Okay. You mentioned architect, right? Architecture it also involves a lot of technical stuff, also a lot of math, knowledge about geometry, angles, and
Yes,
all that.
yes. Suppose you have got a small piece of land. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So it is very difficult to build a house on that
Hmm.
plot of land. If
Yeah.
you think uh, from our side, if you think, oh, it's
Mm-hmm.
a very small plot of land, how can I build?
Yeah. Yes.
So if you give this
Mm-hmm.
um, duty
Yeah.
uh, I mean, to a architecture,
Mm-hmm.
how to build a beautiful house on this small plot of land. They make
Yeah.
it so nicely. I cannot imagine that
Yeah.
how they will
Mhm.
come up such a nice idea and
Yeah.
the house that you will get to see.
Yes, yes. Even I am amazed, okay? I never get tired of watching these home makeover videos on YouTube or any platform, even on Instagram, right? So they have a lot of amazing videos where there is a a very small space. It looks very ordinary, okay? Just white walls and all that. Within a month or something, they change the look and feel of that room. They add small things here and there, and everything, it looks so different. So yes, I don't have that skill, so I always appreciate people who know that. Home decor, how to make the best use of minimal space
Yes,
and things like that. Yeah.
in the same way, we also
Hmm.
can think like that, na? Say
Hmm.
when we do our
Hmm.
official work.
Yeah.
So generally, when I think that okay, I can
Hmm.
finish it
Hmm.
within a week, then if we
Hmm.
think it and how can we make complete it within 3 days instead of 7 days?
Yeah. Yes.
There may be some ideas may
Hmm.
come if we think like that.
Yeah.
That way we also may become a
Hmm.
creative person. Small things.
Yeah. Very true. So, do you think that creativity and analytical skills, right, are different, or do they go hand in hand? Like as you mentioned, even if it's a technical job, your office job, or an IT job, you gave a superb example of finishing it faster, how to finish it faster. So,
Mhm.
most people categorize it under analytical domain, okay, analytical category. So, do you think these are two different things, or both of them go hand in hand?
I think they go hand in hand.
Mm-hmm.
First of all, if you may be a creative person, but
Mm-hmm.
for a certain area that you must have the
Yeah.
knowledge
Mm-hmm.
to be creative. Suppose now when it comes to architecture,
Yeah.
so even though how much I may try, I may not be able to do this because I don't
Yeah.
have any knowledge about that one. So
Mhm,
first of all, you gather knowledge, then you
mhm.
become, then you put it in an alert, you
Mhm.
analyze it,
Yeah.
and your
Mhm,
analytical skill comes to
mhm.
play here.
Yeah. Yeah. That's very true. So it all goes. It is side by side, right? It has to be a
Yes.
mixture of both.
Both,
Otherwise,
yeah.
it's not going to work.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Let's imagine a world, an imaginary world, where you can either be creative or you can be analytical. Okay. Which side will you go to? Creativity side or the analysis side?
Uh, so it would be better
Mhm,
to go for creativity
mhm,
because when there is uh, when we'll think in create our thinking will be a creative one, then
mhm,
we'll try to make better whatever our position is now
mhm.
to make it better for our
Okay.
future. But
Okay.
again, while doing so, again we have to analyze so many things that will also come.
Yes, yes. We have to analyze a lot of things, yeah. But if given a choice, you are inclined to creativity.
Yes.
Okay,
Though
fine.
though I am a very lazy person, I am not doing this in my present life.
Okay.
But we should admire those who are very creative, no?
Yeah,
Because of their
absolutely.
creativity, we are enjoying so many things.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Now I am talking to you using my
Mm-hmm.
mobile phone. You
Yeah,
see, creativity that earlier we used to. I mean, we had wristwatch, then calculator, then
yes.
camera
Yeah,
separate. Now we are
yes,
getting all these things in one device. It is Android
absolutely.
mobile.
Yeah.
So this is because of the creativity that
Mm-hmm.
people they had. So they have made it possible
Yeah,
for us.
so true, so true. The science, technology, these are also creative fields. I think it's high time that we consider them also to be creative, right? Because they have to innovate constantly. If there's no
Yeah, yeah, they are
innovation,
very
means
much creative person.
yeah,
Yeah,
hmm,
they have
yeah,
to
so true.
think first that how to make
Hmm.
it, then they put it uh, in
Hmm.
practice.
Okay, okay, that's very true. And imagine I'll give you a few options, okay, from the creative fields. Uh, Being an actor, being a singer, being a painter, okay. If given a choice to explore any of these three, acting, singing, and painting, okay, which one will you go for?
I like both. I don't have much idea about painting, but I like both
Okay,
actor and the singer. So
okay,
either of these two I can go,
mhm, yeah,
singing or
mhm.
acting.
Acting. Okay.
Mm.
So you do have that acting kida within you, that acting bug. A little bit of it is there in you.
No, I don't have, but I like. Uh, I like to see the others. I mean,
Okay.
movies, how they act, their skill.
Mhm, mhm,
I like, and singing also.
mhm. Okay, that's nice. And as you're aware that in our education system, right, all these artistic subjects are not given much importance. The art periods or the craft classes, they're mostly taken over by the maths teacher or the physics teacher. That's for sure. Okay. So do you think that art is important to the world or it is non-essential? Any kind of art.
I don't have much idea, but I think
Mhm. Your
it is
perspective,
important.
like, do you think it's important or it's non-essential? You can be honest. It's totally your perspective.
No, I can't say exactly that
Hmm.
it is not important.
Hmm.
Uh, at the same time, I, I don't have much idea about this also because I never
Yeah.
look at those things
Yeah.
seriously.
Okay. Imagine a world with no movies. Imagine a world with no songs, no paintings. How does it look to you?
Now, if you imagine, yeah, it will be
Yeah.
very
Yes.
because. But if we did not know about those things
Hmm.
since our birth,
Hmm.
so there it would have been there would not have been much difference. But now
Difference. Yeah.
when we know
Hmm.
now that yes, these movies and
Yeah.
uh, this music,
Hmm.
uh, all these things make
Hmm.
a huge difference in our life
Yeah.
when it comes to
Very true.
entertainment. So yeah, now hardly we can live without those things.
Yes, we can hardly live without our mobiles, and we can hardly live without these creative contents, right?
Yes.
So yeah, true. And I must say, your grammar, you've done a pretty great job. I could hardly find any mistakes, to be honest. Just one thing, there is something called as parallel structures, okay, in English. So if you're talking in the ing form, like singing, dancing, okay, the next thing that you mentioned should also be ing only, reading. For example, you mentioned that I like I watching and get to know. Okay, so one thing that you've used watching, you have to continue in the same structure, watching and getting to know. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
yes. I'll give you a simple example.
Mm.
Um, Ramesh likes singing, dancing, and to read. Okay, so this is not
Okay.
a parallel structure. We'll write singing, dancing, and reading. We should not say and to read. So that's not a parallel structure. If I say he likes singing, dancing, and reading, all are in the ing form, right? In the same structure. So it's called as a parallel structure. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So
Nice.
just this
Nice.
one thing.
This is the
Yeah.
this is the thing that I have learned today.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's
Okay.
nice. I will remember this.
Sure, sure. I'm sure you will. Okay. And I think your vocabulary is also pretty great. Just a few recommendations, just something that you can improve. Okay. You mentioned that creative people are those who are something different, right? There is nothing wrong in saying that. It's absolutely fine. You can even use the word unconventional if you wish. Okay. They are
Okay.
pretty unconventional, no, not
Mhm.
abiding by the traditional rule, something different. Okay. You can use the word unconditional. And you mentioned that creativity is always thinking how can we do better. Okay, so for that you can say how can we push the boundaries. Okay.
Yeah. How can I push
Yeah, you
the
mentioned
boundary?
thinking outside the box. That's very well. That's a great way. It's a great expression.
Mhm.
This is also
Mhm.
something that you can use. Okay. So yes, those were my only suggestions to you. Apart from that, I think you were great today. Nothing more from my end.
It's nice to hear so many good things from you. Just boost my confidence.
Yes, you deserve it. It's well deserved, okay? It's not like I'm simply saying, it's very well deserved, to be honest. Okay?
Okay, I will try hard to do better.
Yes, sure. So, do you have any questions for me?
No, I don't have any more questions.
Okay, fine. And what are your plans for the rest of the evening? Are you going to, have your dinner and call it a day, or do you have anything lined up?
No, only I will have my dinner at 10:30 and I'll
Okay.
go to bed.
Okay,
This
fine.
is the only thing that I was uh, waiting
Mhm.
for, Mm, because
Okay.
the
Hmm.
last class I took maybe more than 1 week back, so I
Yes,
was
yes.
eagerly
A week
waiting.
or two ago. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. It was, as always, it's a pleasure interacting with you. Okay. And have a great evening.
Likewise, I
Subha.
can say likewise, no? Likewise.
Thank you. Yes, you can definitely. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay. So, is it okay
Okay.
if we wrap the session, or if you want to
Yeah,
ask me
yeah.
anything, please feel free.
Okay, we can wrap the session.
Yeah.
And
There's only a minute to go. That's why.
okay, so
Okay,
I can
then.
bye. Good night. Bye.
Good night. Sweet dreams. Bye bye. Take care.